If you care about the look, feel, and health of your wood surfaces, this interview is a must-watch. Today we're speaking with Charles St. Louis from Livos, the makers of Kunos, a natural cold-pressed linseed oil wood finish that's changing the game for woodworkers, furniture makers, and anyone serious about sustainable finishes.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Charles St. Louis and I'm from Livos. And Livos is a manufacturer from Germany making natural linseed oil for wood finishes. Livos has been around for over 50 years now. We're based in Canada. We've been importing the product for 20 years. We sell all across Canada in independent stores, and we sell to woodworkers, hardwood flooring guys. So this is a natural linseed oil. It's a cold pressed linseed, so it is the molecules very small, so they penetrate inside the wood deeper. And then you have a blend of different waxes and a resin. It's a natural resin from Southern Asia, from a tree called the mar. And the resin, when it's in the oil, it's liquid. When it's out in the oxygen, it gets really, really hard. So you have the penetrating oil, and then you have the resin that stays on top. So it's giving you a very, very strong protection. So we have a couple of pieces here. So this is a white oak riff and quarter, and we finished it with Livos 2 coats. The advantage is using Livos is longevity. So if you have a countertop or a dining table or any piece of furniture finished with Livos, then you won't have any issues down the road. You won't have any water rings or any problems like that. Very easy to maintain. You just have to reapply a coat of oil, and that's it. It's good to go. No sanding in between. We also have a line of exterior products, so for decking, for fences, for outdoor furniture. So please visit livos.com and just keep a track on us, and we're going to be all over the States in the next couple of years.
We've linked Kunos in the description below so you can check it out and try it for yourself.